Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa Jan, welcome to Jan Studio. This is the 15th episode of the Thailand series. Welcome to Jan Studio. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling journey to explore the magnificent ocean caves. Right now, we are aboard a big boat, and the excitement among the passengers is palpable. The vast ocean stretches endlessly around us, creating a picturesque view you can't help but admire. The gentle rocking of the boat adds a unique rhythm to our journey, making this experience even more memorable. Our guide takes center stage to brief us on the safety rules for this trip. She starts by highlighting essential precautions to ensure everyone has a safe and enjoyable experience. One crucial rule she mentions is that if we move to smaller boats later, we must remove our shoes. Shoes aren't allowed on the smaller boats to keep them clean and prevent damage. She adds that if anyone needs soft, water-friendly shoes, they are available for purchase on board. It's good to know that they are thinking about our comfort and convenience during this adventure. We also brought along a waterproof mobile cover to protect our phones while capturing this stunning scenery. The waterproof cover was a smart purchase for just 100 Thai baht and has been super helpful. The big boat feels sturdy and spacious, making it a comfortable ride for all passengers. The atmosphere is lively as people chat, laugh, and take photos of the mesmerizing ocean views. Our guide points out some distant islands and talks about the unique marine ecosystem in this area. The boat's engine hums steadily as we continue cruising through the pristine waters. The salty breeze and the warmth of the sun make this ride feel both relaxing and adventurous. We're all enjoying this shared experience, bonding over the beauty of nature around us. As we sail further, the ocean caves start to come into view, adding to our excitement. The guide explains that these caves are a natural wonder formed over millions of years. She also shares stories of the local culture and legends surrounding the caves, adding a magical touch to our journey. The big boat glides smoothly through the water, giving us a perfect vantage point to soak in the scenery. Everyone is busy capturing videos and photos, ensuring these moments are preserved forever. The journey so far has been incredible, and we can't wait to explore the caves up close. Stay with us as we continue this adventure, uncovering the beauty of the ocean caves and everything they have to offer. Beauty.
No, including this?
Not included.
This is it.
For accessory and unnecessary. This is for sale. 250. That's small size. 350. And this size 450.
Different size, different 100 baht.
Yeah, I know. You 250.
This one, this size 450.
50.
450. 450 for this one.
450.
450.
Oh,
This one?
very expensive.
250. Expensive for Thailand.
And this one?
250.
250. And then 200. Can you help me? Enough. Thank you so much. Da popridi. Da churura de da. Da po
We continue our journey toward the stunning ocean cave. This exciting package includes both tea and lunch, making the trip even more enjoyable and relaxing. As we sail ahead, the refreshing aroma of tea fills the air, adding a cozy touch to our experience. Our journey continues smoothly, with the big boat cutting through the calm waters toward the ocean cave. The beauty of this place is truly captivating, with clear skies, blue waters, and lush greenery in the distance. On board, we have people from different countries, creating a vibrant and multicultural atmosphere. Everyone here is warm, friendly, and excited to share this memorable experience together. Conversations flow freely as we connect with fellow travelers and share stories of our adventures. The boat is filled with laughter and the sound of cameras clicking as everyone captures the mesmerizing views. The scenic beauty around us is a perfect blend of natural colors, the deep blue of the ocean and the emerald green of nearby islands. Our guide enthusiastically shares details about the places we're passing, making the trip informative and engaging. We're all soaking in the serenity of the surrounding seascapes, feeling grateful for this amazing journey. From the boat, we can see seagulls flying gracefully, adding life to the already picturesque scene. The tea served on board is delightful, perfectly complementing the cool ocean breeze. Lunch is being prepared in the boat's kitchen, and the tantalizing aroma of local dishes fills the air. As we approach the ocean cave, everyone's excitement grows, and we can see cameras clicking more frequently. The boat slows down slightly, giving us a chance to admire the rocky cliffs and formations near the cave. The sunlight hitting the water creates a sparkling effect, making it look like a scene from a postcard. Every corner of this journey feels like a photographer's dream, and everyone is busy capturing the moment. Some are taking selfies, while others are focusing on the vast landscape and its intricate details. The different languages being spoken on board create a lively symphony of cultural diversity. Despite our different backgrounds, we all share a common sense of wonder at the beauty around us. The guide reminds us to get ready for the next part of our trip and ensures we're all comfortable and well-informed. As the boat edges closer to the ocean cave, we are left in awe of the natural wonders awaiting us. Stay tuned as we explore the magnificent ocean cave, enjoy our delicious lunch, and create unforgettable memories. We've finally reached the much-anticipated cave point. From here, we'll transition to smaller boats for an exciting journey inside the cave. It promises to be an interesting and unforgettable adventure as we explore the hidden wonders of the cave. Our ship has now stopped, and everyone is preparing to board the little boats for the next part of the trip. The view outside the cave is absolutely breathtaking, nature's masterpiece on full display. Crystal clear water reflects the vibrant greenery of the surrounding mountains, creating a picture-perfect scene. The blue sky, dotted with fluffy white clouds, adds a dreamy touch to this artistic landscape. My friend Ikram and I eagerly set up our little boat, excited to embark on this unique exploration. As we get closer to the cave entrance, the sense of adventure grows stronger with every paddle. This place is truly magical, and its beauty is beyond words, a gift of nature we feel privileged to witness. Entering the cave for the first time was a mix of emotions, excitement and a little fear of the unknown. Inside, the cave greets us with a mysterious and otherworldly atmosphere, dark yet intriguing. The sounds of water dripping and the occasional flutter of bats add to the cave's mystique. Speaking of bats, the cave is home to a large colony, and we can see them resting high up on the walls. The darkness inside is intense, with only the faint light from our guide's torch illuminating the way. The natural rock formations inside the cave are fascinating, each one telling a story of time and erosion.
The air inside feels cool and damp, a stark contrast to the warmth and brightness outside. Every turn of the boat reveals something new: narrow passages, high ceilings, and shimmering cave pools. Despite my initial fear, I've come to appreciate the cave's raw and untouched beauty. Our guide shares interesting facts about the cave's history and the ecosystem it supports. As our journey inside the cave comes to an end, we paddle back toward the light at the entrance. The transition from the dark cave to the vibrant outside world feels like stepping into another dimension. Before ending the video, I take a moment to reflect on this incredible experience and its unforgettable sights. I'm finishing this video here, and we'll see you all in our next destination for more amazing adventures. Take care of your health, stay safe, and goodbye from Jan Studio. Until next time.